Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create chevron effect to text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to create chevron effect to text. Go to the Insert menu, then select the word art option and select the word art. Then write anything on this text. Then click OK. Then select the text and go to the word art menu. Then click the change shape option and we can see here many shape style. We select the chevron shape. Now I select this chevron up. Then resize the text. Now we can see we make this text chevron style or effect very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.